on certain occasions, the Aryans ate beef and drank alcohol. Okay, in another place. In ancient India, beef was consumed for many centuries. Okay. Such things keep occurring repeatedly. And these are all clever by half tactics, because Romila Thapar and her Marxist gang members, they have never even once mentioned whether the Aryans used to eat anything else apart from beef.
So the intent was to deliberately highlight a certain aspect and draw parallels.
That is part of their ideology and politics. Because, beef is regarded as, cow is regarded as sacred. So if you show somehow, using fabrications and wild assertions and allegations, if you show that, look, the people you call as rishis, you worship them so much, they also eat